Okay, fifth graders, I'm trying something new with pulling up Google on the presentation here, but I wanted to walk through a couple of different clocks here and just give examples of how we read these clocks. First of all, we'll just kind of work through the first couple ones here. We see that there's a short hour hand and there's the long minute hand. Now, the biggest misconception people made on or the biggest mistake people made on the entrance exam is that they looked at this and said, oh, it's closer to the 5. It is 5:32. Well, what they didn't equate or account for is that it wasn't at the 5 yet. So that meant that it was actually 4:32. Now you can see the second hand here, the very, very thin, it's actually the longest needle on the clock. Sometimes they're red, like this is red, that one's black actually. And sometimes the clocks don't have them. At school we do have the second hands. So this time right here, I'm going to write on this, is 4:32. Do we know if it's AM or PM? We don't. The next one, we see it's just past 10, so it's 10. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way around, they count by 5. So this is 5, and then 6, 7, 7. So it's 10:07. The next one, 10:09. Now, some people will ask, it's very close to the 2 being a 10. Well, look at that. It's not all the way there yet. And if you see the second hand, it's at 35 seconds. So it's 25 seconds away from being at 10:10. The next one, we don't have the minute hands, but I'd guess that it's about 10:09. Same as the one before. And let's do one more on the bottom. We see that it's just past 10. They must have liked 10 o'clock when they made these pictures. 10. And we see that the minute hand goes all the way down to 26. So 10:26. I hope that helps you figure out how to tell time on your clock. Remember, the biggest mistake I saw was that people said, oh, it's closer to the 5. It's 5 something. No, it's not yet to 5, so it's still 4:32. I hope that helps. Thanks so much.